In the last module, we focused entirely on building a stellar Fiverr profile. Once that is done, the next step is to bring as much traffic to your profile as possible. So we will be focusing on this part in this module. Now here is a problem. I have seen a lot of newbies creating gigs with random titles, and then they struggle to generate impressions and clicks on their gigs. So it is very important to do proper research before creating a gig, and most importantly, you need to find the right keywords that you will use in your gig offering. And how will you do that keyword research? Well, there are multiple ways to do that, but the best thing is to use Fiverr's own keyword research tool. To get this tool, you will have to go buy Seller Plus subscription from Fiverr. This subscription comes in two packages. One is standard and the other is premium. You can buy any package. Standard works fine as a start and provides keyword research tool as well. Once you have purchased Seller Plus, go to your profile and click on Analytics Dashboard. There you will see multiple options under the Seller Plus heading. Click on the Keyword Research option. On the next screen, based on what services you want to offer, select a category, subcategory, and service type. Fiverr will show you top keywords. Now pick one or more keywords that have a higher overall rank as well as average order price. Lastly, combine a few keywords to come up with a good title. For example, from the example shown on the screen, a possible gig title would be, I will develop your web application using JavaScript. Alright, so once this process is done, you will have a few gig titles ready. Keep this noted somewhere as we will be using these gig titles later in the course while creating gigs. And once you will use these titles to create gigs, you will also be able to review how each of your keywords is doing. For that, you will have to go to your profile and click on the top keywords option. On the next screen, select a gig and you will be able to see top keywords for that gig. You can use these keywords to create more gigs or update the current gig's positive keywords and descriptions accordingly. In my case, you can see that only the 3 best keywords are bringing 10,000 plus impressions to my gig every month. Out of these 10,000 impressions, nearly 600 people actually opened the gig and roughly 60 of them messaged me. So if you do proper keyword research, you can receive 60 leads from just one gig every month. Of course, not all of these will convert, but this is still a very good leads volume. And this is the power of Fiverr platform. Alright, so now as you know that how to do proper keyword research, let me give you a few tips to make it more effective. Number 1, use long tail keywords. This means you should be using specific longer keywords instead of using generic shorter keywords, as shorter keywords always have more competition. To understand this better, let's go back to our keyword research tool. So here, let's pick the word web application. So now I can pick an other keyword right from this page to make a combination as I just explained earlier in this video. But if you do not want to do that, or if you are unable to make a good combination, then you can turn this keyword into a long tail keyword. So instead of targeting web application, you can target full stack web application development. This way your gig will get ranked both against the main keyword as well as the long tail keyword and will bring more traffic. Number 2, use industry specific keywords. So this is another idea to generate long tail keywords. Using industry specific words in your long tail keywords helps a lot in terms of ranking as well as winning clients' trust. A few examples of industry specific long tail keywords are real estate web application development and healthcare apps full stack development. Number 3, use technology or tool specific keywords. So you can always use tools and technologies in your keywords as well. For example, Ruby on Rails full stack web application development, or Ruby on Rails full stack development, or Salesforce automation expert. Once you incorporate these tips to finalize your keywords and convert them into gig titles, you are good to go. In the next videos in this course, I will teach you how to use gig titles to create gigs and to bring maximum traffic to your profile. But the goal of this video is to understand how to do proper keyword research and how to create very effective and very catchy gig titles.